actually insane. Look, yo, let's get it. We back with another one. Retro Laser Company. Today, we are pressing direct to film onto Dollar Tree doormats. Can you do it? We're about to figure it out. Let's get into it. So for everybody that's out there that's looking to get into this type of business, the print on demand, t-shirt business, or whatever the case may be, when you buy these machines, they do not tell you that you can do this type of stuff, right? DTF is not just made for garments. You can actually press DTF on a whole lot of surface, hard surface. We're trying to figure the doormat out. I'm pretty sure it's going to work with the doormat, but they tell you, you know, you got to buy special machines for all this type of stuff. You got to sublimate it, or you got to get you it's a lot of money. This stuff costs, you know, it's not cheap, right? So that's why I make these type of behind the scene videos to show you guys. But anyway, this is what I'm gonna attempt to press on this doormat today. My brother's he's a Kobe Bryant fan, and I printed this out with the direct to film, and I'm gonna try to press it on this doormat. If you guys think it'll work, comment below. I got a great feeling that it will work, right? This is like rubber. That's like rubber, but the top, I mean, it's not cotton. I don't know what that is. Yo, we finna try it though. Let's get into it. I already got the heat press set up. It's on 290, and I got it pressed at 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. All right, you guys, give me 1 second. Of course, everything is falling everywhere, but I'm not preheating my mat. I'm not preheating the bottom of the platen. I'm not doing none of that. I am gonna make sure that it's straight. So I need more space. I mean, that looked pretty right in the middle, actually. So that should work. All right, let's do this. Kobe Bryant, 1 of 1 doormat. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna try to center this. I mean, it's pretty. A lot of times you can eye this stuff, and normally working with big prints like this, unless you like got something going on with your vision, it's kind of hard to mess this up, to be honest with you. I'm gonna kind of press it like right there. Looks perfect. 2 sheets of parchment paper. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just run 1. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that should be perfect. So normally what I do with this is I press it 1 time, 15 seconds, release it, and then I go back in for, I mean, I let it cool for like 5 more seconds, and then press it again, then completely cool off, and then I peel it. So let it cool a little bit. I'm going for another press, and I'm gonna peel this live on camera for you guys. And we're gonna figure out together if it worked. If you guys like this type of content, remember to like, comment, share, learn from this stuff. If you're looking to get into this business, use these methods to make money. I mean, this rug was $1.50 after taxes or something like that. It's easily, you can upscale at 2025 with customization. Let's press it again. Oh man, I'm out of coffee. I gotta go back. And just like that, gonna let that thing cool off. I'm gonna reposition my camera. Let's go. Yeah, this is just a behind the scene tips and tricks for you guys that have questions about this. DTF, white toner, you know what I'm saying, hard surface material, the sublimation, laser engraved. I got so many videos coming, it's crazy, but this thing is still cooling off. Get a close up on that. And you know what? I don't know if this is a cold pill or not. Yeah, it's trying to come off. I may need to let it cool completely off. You know what? I'm gonna press it again. So normally what I do, anytime Anytime this DTF stuff hesitate to peel off, don't peel it, you're gonna ruin it. Press it again, let it cool off, and then normally that does the trick. So here we go again, I'm pressing again. I can't mess this rug up. Or maybe I can, I don't know. All right. Yeah, I can see right there, that piece didn't even get pressed. All right, it's going back on. It's the third press, but I can't say that I don't have a lot of pressure on this, you know what I mean? So maybe that has something to do with it, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, let's let this thing cool. Okay, we back. It's still cooling off. It's been cooling now for about 1 or 2 minutes. That should be enough. Let's figure out. Let's figure out this work. DTF on a cheap doormat. Uh-oh. It's peeling off. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Quit playing. Yo, look at this. What? That's crazy. That's crazy work. Look at the details. Vibrant print. What? I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this. That's insane. That's actually insane. Look. Yo. Things they don't tell you. This is why YouTube University is alive and well. The stuff you will figure out. Man, I'm in love with that. That is crazy. Yo, the detail. Hold on, I'm gonna show this one more time. My bad, I'm over geeked. Look at the detail on this. Hopefully my camera is focusing right now. What? But yeah, the stuff they don't tell you. Again, I'm gonna give you guys my settings. I did press it 3 times. That wasn't a heavy press or a tight press on that. 290 degrees, 15 seconds. I pressed it 3 times. Maybe you can try to adjust that, maybe not, but custom Kobe Bryant doormat. So just think, I want you guys to drop in the bottom of the comments how much you think I can sell this for if I was to sell it. I'm just saying. Again, thanks for watching. My name Rob, this Retro Laser Company. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video, learn from it. Rewatch it again, take notes on these settings. And I'm gone. I'll be back with another one in like 2 seconds. You guys be blessed. Later.